Division strategies. So there are 4 division strategies that we can use to solve for a division equation. And we can use fact family. So if we know our multiplication facts, that's going to help us with figuring out the division. We can also do arrays. So this is arrays or groups. And then we can do a number line. But remember, if we're doing a number line, we're going to jump backwards on the number line. So we're going to skip count backwards on a number line to solve division equations. Okay, and then our last strategy is to do, I can do repeated subtraction to solve for division equations. So let's do some practice. So I have 12 divided by 4. So let's try with equal groups. So 12 is going to be my total amount. In division, we always start with our total amount. My 4 is going to be my equal groups. Okay, so I'm going to make 4 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to put 1 in each group until I get to 12. So I'm going to put 1 in each group until I get to my total number. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then I'm going to look at what is in one group. Okay, one group. And in one group, there are 3 dots, right? 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And that is equal groups. Now let's do repeated subtraction. With repeated subtraction, I'm going to start at 12. And I'm going to say 12 minus 4. Okay, so 12 minus 4 is going to be what? If you said 8, you are correct. Then I move that 8 over here to this side. I'm going to say 8 minus 4 again. 8 minus 4 will give me 4. Then that 4 goes over to this side. So every time I finish, my answer is going to go to the other side. So I'm going to say 4 minus 4. Look, I'm subtracting 4 every single time because that's how many equal groups I have. 4 minus 4 is going to give me 0. And now I'm done with my repeated subtraction. And then I'm going to look, how many times did I subtract 4? If I count 1, 2, 3, so my answer here is 3. So look, we're coming up with the same answer. So it doesn't matter which strategy I pick. I need to pick a strategy to solve and get to the correct answer. All right, so for the number line, we're always going to start at 12. Or start at 12. We're going to always start at our total number. My total number here is 12. And then I'm going to jump backwards. And I'm jumping backwards whatever number I have up here. So I'm jumping back 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm right here. That's my first jump. Then I'm going to jump again. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's my second jump. Okay, remember I'm jumping 4 times because that's my equal groups. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I'm at 0. And then I'm going to look, how many times did I jump? So count your humps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I jumped 3 times. So my answer is still going to be 3. All right? So remember with number line, I'm going to be jumping backwards. And I'm always going to start with my total number. All right, let's try another one. So 14 divided by 2. Again, this is going to be my total. This is going to be my equal groups. So I'm going to start with how many groups am I going to make? 2. 1, 2. And then how many am I going to put in each group? I don't know yet. But what I'm going, and that's going to be my answer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 1 in each group until I get to 14. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, now I've reached 14. How many is in one group? In one group, I have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In one group, I have 7. So 7 is my answer. All right, let's try repeated subtraction. In repeated subtraction, I'm going to start with my total number. My total number is 14. So I'm going to say 14 minus, and I'm going to minus my equal groups, which is 2. So 14 minus 2 is going to give me what number? If you said 12, you are correct. And then whatever number I put over here is going to go to the very beginning over here on my next row. And I'm going to still keep up with that same process. I'm going to say 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is going to give me 10. Again, the 10 is going to go over here to this side for the next subtraction. 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. Okay? Again, going to go back over here to this side. 8 minus 2 is going to give me 6. Okay? Keep going until you get to 0. 6 minus 2 is going to give me 4. All right? 4 goes back over here. 4 minus 2 is going to give me 2. Come back over. 2 minus 2 is going to give me 0. Now I have reached 0. And now I'm going to look at what I have, the 2's that I have subtracted, and count the 2's. All right, ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer for because I'm counting how many numbers I repeatedly subtracted. And that was my 2's. I repeatedly subtracted them 7 times. So 14 divided by 2 is 7. All right, let's look at the number line. In the number line, I'm going to start at 14. And I'm going to jump backwards towards 0. So I'm going to jump 14 backwards, but I'm jumping backwards how many times? 2 times. So I'm going to go 1, 2. That's my first jump. 1, 2. That's my second jump. 1, 2. That's my third jump. 1, 2. That's my fourth jump. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and I'm now at 0. So if I count my humps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I jumped back 7 times, so my answer is 7. All right, keep practicing and trying these different strategies.